All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So I am here to share something with you because DPM actually says something about Nkere, and based on the videos of Nkere in Washington DC that I've seen, just a very short video, the guy is too dramatic because he always wants to act like a Nollywood star. We are going to see that, and I want us to connect it with what DPM said. Please do me a favor, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it on any platform of your choice. I would like to start with what DPM said. Okay, let's start with the post that she made in that regard, based on the lies and the pretense of Nkere to prove that he is the one in charge and he knows people and all that. Meeting people to have handshake is different from presenting what it takes for recognition. It is actually different from what people know, especially those who care to research about how Biafra had declared their independence in November 29, 2024, and what followed after. If you do research, just basic research on that, Nkere will be, of course, exposed before you. You don't need any prophet or prophetess to tell you what the guy is doing. So having said that, let's quickly touch this part where Nkere and his group are doing AI pictures, trying to alter one or two things. Remember, the guy have a record of forgery and altering. So we are going to go through that. Hey, boy, forger. Press release, April 24th, 2026. Continued attack on the United States of Biafra by the Nigerian state using Biafran agents call for FBI to investigate Elias. All right? DPM just said that the attack on United States of Biafra continued by Nigerian agents using Biafran's agents. That is, people who are Biafran by birth, but they volunteered themselves to serve as an agent. So she said a call for FBI to investigate Elias Glasoris and Nkere, aka Azaya Ayogo. Sometimes you don't even know the name and the aka. I have said this many times. Sometimes he called himself, "My name is Azaya Ayogo, aka Nkere." Sometimes he said, "My name is Nkere, aka Azaya Ayogo," or "My name is Azaya Ayogo." So you don't know which is who. Like which of them is your name and which of them is aka. Now, Nkere, aka Azaya Ayogo, Sonny Akbarawa, and their agent Elias Glasolis continue to distort facts and misinform the public by posting an AI picture using Dr. PM Simon Ekpa's name, first picture, presumably praising Nkere. This manipulation by the agent of the Nigerian state in Biafran struggle is not only destructive but deceptive and dangerous. At no time did Nkere, aka Azaya Ayogo, met with Senator Carter and PM Simon Ekpa never posted anything as such. He has never posted such on his X handle. All right. The world, especially the press, should be mindful of this treacherous element used by Nigerian state to attack our new Christian nation, USB, using doctored images. The Biafran Republic government in exile, which I currently led, has since been collapsed into the United States of Biafra following our declaration on November 29th, 2024 in Latin, Finland. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, COS, DPM, United States of Biafra. So when I saw this post, I said, okay, let me check on Nkere. In fact, let me see the pictures that DPM mentioned here. Believe you me, being that these guys have records of this altering and forgery, you cannot just excuse them at all. The picture you are seeing on the screen now, which may appear to you as tiny as as anything, is of course the picture that Nkere claimed that PM made this post and said, Biafrans on the table. Biafran on the table. There's no way, this is not English, PM's English. The date of making this post may be correct, but you see, Biafran on the table can never ever be made by PM. Follow something here, because for you to understand that this picture is fake. In fact, let me see if I will, because I need to explain to you, because some people may not understand what DPM said there, that this picture is fake, and I'm here to expose that truly is fake. So I am saving the picture to see if I can share it in a better format, so that we can be able to zoom it and make sense out of it. Because these people can never ever learn, they don't want to learn how to say the truth, how to speak the truth. They don't want to learn it. It is haram to Nkere and his group. Why? Because they are gaining something from this nonsense. What I will do now, I'm going to drop this particular picture here to share it in a better format. Just bear with. All right, so I want you to pay very close attention to this picture, because this is the picture that DPM said in that write-up that is AI generated, and I'll prove it to you here and here without going anywhere. First thing first, PM cannot make a post and say Biafrans on the table alone. This PM may tweeted something on this date. It could be possible. But what he tweeted has been edited and, of course, cleaned and put another thing. Now, for you to know that Nkere and Imam Zayayogo, Nkere Zayayogo, which is his Nkere, both of them bear the same name, and Sona Parawa, Imam Madabo, Mazakwa. Forget about their division, and they are all in the same category. Now, for you to know that these guys are very, very, very wicked and senseless. At the same time, PM made the post according to what, if let's assume that PM is the one that made this post, that is exactly what they want to believe on, right? Good. It's assumed for you to make this kind of post, you have to take a screenshot. A screenshot of this and put it together. Meaning that PM is one sharing the one under. PM here is one reacting on the post that this handle made. And for PM to react on it like this, PM must take a screenshot of it and put it there and now put comment. That is what happened here. So if that is the case, why is Nkere name appears as a brigade minister here? Why is Nkere name appear as a brigade minister? And let's not forget, when PM was here, Nkere, I don't have Twitter handle. I've not come across his own Twitter handle. Personally, I stand to be corrected. When PM was here, what is Nkere's Twitter handle's name? I don't know. That's from me. But maybe he has a Twitter handle then, but I don't think so. Even if he do, what is the name? And for PM to make this, to put this right up here, okay? For PM to put this, it means that PM took a screenshot of this and then comment on it. If he's sharing, you will see retweets. You will see repost above here to appear repost. So repost and taking screenshot and comment is not the same. Those who know Twitter very well will understand what I'm talking about. And one more thing is that PM cannot. This is not the kind of English that PM use. Biafra on the table. That sounds awkward. That is not PM's English. If you know how PM speak and how he writes, this can never come from PM. Biafra's on the this is what Biafra on the table. No, it's not from PM. It can never be from him. So that's number one. And let's now look for the original tweet, like what when PM commented, when Biafrans actually appeared or met the same man that they're talking about. Let's see if you can locate it. All right. Let me look for some of the pictures and see if you can locate it, because some of them, what they do is to lie without missing any word. So I think I'm gonna end it and start up again. Let me share the other picture. So this is the picture of DPM then when PM was here, having meeting with the same congressman that Nkere claimed that he is one meeting and all that. You can see the picture here. And PM tweeted something about it back then. And he said this, because it is always good for you to clear on this. This is what PM tweeted about it. You can see it. Now, what did he say here? He said, the Biafran COS had special dinner with Congressman John Carter with other officials, and Biafran was the topic. The bringing lobbyists made this gathering possible. The diplomatic chess game for Biafra has begun while we intensify the defense of our land against terrorist states of Nigeria. Okay, that was PM tweet those days. And the closer picture of DPM with the same congressman is here. Okay, why are we talking about this? Because just to remind you, that is what Nkere do for a living. What he do for a living is to lie and lie and lie and lie, claiming what he did not do, that he's one achieved, that he achieved this, achieved that. Again, let's quickly see what Nkere did recently. As you can see here, let me reduce the picture. This is his Nollywood step today. Okay, and let me just expand it a little bit for you to see. Now, pay close attention. I don't know. Okay, sorry about that. I'm trying to adjust the window. Okay, let's manage it this way. Okay, here, watch your Nkere step. Although I'm gonna play it multiple times. Watch his step. Now, in case you don't want to, you miss that. See how he paused. I'm trying to see if I can present the entire body. Unless if I download this video, then it will behave well. But let's see. Watch. Camera on. Camera setting. Action. Now let me take it back again. Camera rolling. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, hold on. Let's start again. Camera rolling. 1, 2, go. You see, acting. Why did he pause in first place? And see the body language. See how he'll be exchanging this his bag from left to right, from right to left, putting hand in pocket. Very, very uncomfortable. In space of the video is the total minutes of the video is 1 minute 38 seconds. 1 minute 38 seconds. The bag now is in this hand. Camera rolling, action. Switch it at this one. Put hand in pocket. Very, very uncomfortable. Then pay attention to his eyes. Okay. He's changed it again. Watch. Look at his eyeball, looking for a way, as if he's not allowed to film here. He changed the bag again, put hand back again in pocket. Okay, again. Look at his eyes. He's not change the bag again. Watch again. Look at his eyes. Let me do it before people before they caught me here. Switch it back again. I switch it back again now. You have to switch it again, of course. That is what you do. Switch it back. Switch it back again. Now, this is just 1 minute 38 seconds. I will explain to you what happened here in a live broadcast shortly after I upload this video in our second platform here. I will be live on our main channel. But I want you to watch it to have an idea of the reason why DPM called him out and was actually, saying something about the criminality and mindset of this guy and his group. This is not to blackmail him, but to point out very disturbing issue about him. If you know, you know. If you like pretend that it doesn't matter, it matters a lot. This is the same gathering that Mike Arnold appeared, okay, and testified that video has been trending, and this guy is outside claiming that the Biafran government in Israel is one turning things around. Glory be to God. Am I against you turning things around in favor of Biafra? God forbid. In fact, you have my support if you can do that. But are you doing that truly? Of course, no. That is where the issue come from. That is where I have problem with him. Anyway, I just want to share this with you. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, keep your eyes on our main platform, Nkere Report. And here in this second platform, please don't take what we do here for granted, because we'll be giving you update here. And that's why I have been telling you guys to subscribe and follow. Like the video and share it on any platform of your choice. Put your comment and tell me what you think about all we've discussed so far. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now. Take care of yourself.